Hi, it's your guy, Eagle Eye from the Sky. Listen, Floridians, as you know, we have a hurricane heading towards this state, expected to touch down sometime on Wednesday. It's expected to really hit the Panhandle area and bring effects down into the Tampa and possibly over there in the Jacksonville area. There's a lot of different models out there. So what can you do to protect yourself? Well, as property owners, if you're watching this video, that means you have a telephone. So you can use your telephone to make a cell phone video or take photographs of the outside of your property. You can take photos or videos of the inside of your property. You can take photos or videos of your valuable items, particularly serial numbers. You can also take a photo or video of your insurance policy. And if you actually have your insurance policy, go ahead and take a copy, pack that up with your valuables. That way you can take it with you. As far as people that's coming to your neighborhood, be careful of people that's going to be coming to your neighborhood and telling you that they're there on behalf of your insurance company. Make sure they really do work for your insurance company. Be careful of people that say they're there as emergency services. Sometimes we have found that fraudsters are saying that they're part of the government or they're there from FEMA. So make sure that these people have credentials when you're out there. And for you fraudsters, as always, you won't be invisible. We'll be out there and we'll be looking for you. Until next time, it's your guy, Eagle Eye from the Sky.